for me, I don't call myself agency. Kasi I'm not an agency. I'm a licensed immigration specialist. That means I took my course. I um I have to take my exam, ganon. Kaya alam ko kung ano dapat ang gawin. But however, nandyan na eh. But this refusal letter, I would love to see na refuse lang siya eh. I really wish refusal lang yung nakikita ko. I was surprised when I saw that sorry. Sorry. It is a misrepresentation. So tell me the whole story. I want to hear out. Maybe we can do something.
Okay. Ano po kasi, ang alam po namin yan yung sa show money, ma'am. Show money po.
Okay.
Bali, ang advice po kasi ng agency,